Hello, today I'm working on a curve treadmill. So it's a non-powered treadmill. The problem with this is that when you're running on it, it makes a knocking noise, banging noise. So I'm going to give it a go to hear where that sound is coming from. I think the belt might be a little bit too loose. I'm going to flip it over and take a look at it. So I've just turned it on the side. Take a look at these, see if there's any. There's some little scores on the screws here. Yeah, which I'm thinking the belt is a little too loose, so I'm gonna try to adjust the belt, but first I have to strip it all down. Might just need to retract it from there, but I have to strip it first. So everything is now stripped. So what I will be doing, I'll be attempting to adjust it from here. I'm doing this and retracting this belt, so this belt sits a little higher on both sides, and see what happens. So I found a fault. There's that screw, if it can be seen, and my finger is touching it. It's just a little too long, so it's rubbing on the screws. Let me flip it over, have a better look. There we go. So that screw right there is shaved down. I need to get a smaller one. And then replace it. Alright, so I didn't have a screw, but I used the next best thing was to just use my file and take it down a little. Then I'm gonna give it a go now, see what it sounds like. On it, hands free. Okay, that sorted the problem. Ooh. Okay, so now I will fit back this machine and give it a complete look over. It's all fitted back together. Now I'm gonna give it a complete run over. See what it sounds like. Okay, recording. Oh, recording. Yay. Alright, so that's sweet, no sound.